Take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. This particular one, 1994 Chevrolet Silverado C1500. Regular cab long box. As you can see, the two-tone paint combination. This is actually light autumn wood and dark autumn wood combination. A little over 66,000 miles on this truck. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Let's get a good look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Chrome in nice shape, as well as the grille. See, the bug deflector has been added. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this truck, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Powered by a 5-liter. That is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. And those would both be optional items that were added on this truck from the factory. You can check out the window sticker in the still pictures and you'll be able to see that also. Some other things to look for on there: it does have the chrome rear bumper, obviously the two-tone paint job, HD cooling, so it does have the heavy-duty cooling components. Tachometer, those were all above and beyond the standard items back in 1994. Take a look. Oh, first of all, I want to mention these front tires, like new, still have the nubbies on them, FYI. And then take a look at these lower rockers up and around the wheel wells. Not bubbling, not peeling. All the way back to the cab corners here. You can see cab corners nice and solid. Still has the protective film from the factory and to the rear wheel wells. Newer exhaust, as you can see. Still riding on the stock wheels. Duraliner bed liner. Take a look how straight that is. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, you are going to have some imperfections in the paint here and there, maybe a little touch up or a little ding, but overall does show well. But you can tell the truck's been driven also. And once again, those still pictures, so you can see this truck every angle, probably close to 100 pictures online of it. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. 342 gears in the rear. And again, look at how straight that body is. Paint shows well. And let's go ahead and take a look at the lower rockers also. Around the wheel well. Again, no bubbling. Rust coming through. Check out the cab corners once again. And still that protective coating. Right. There we go. Oops. There's an angle for you to see it. There you go. Protective coating still there. Down along the lower rockers. Alright, how about the inside? There are a couple spots here it's been touched up by the door handle. Door panels look good. Of course, the Silverado. It's going to be nicely equipped. Power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Still has the factory floor mats. It is the original cloth seats. AC does blow cold. There's pictures of the carpeting underneath these floor mats in the still pictures. The wipers work. Stereo system works fine. Obviously tilt and cruise. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Go through some other things on the interior here. So again, optional tachometer. See how the gauges are working. Cluster also working over here. Let's turn up the radio so you can hear it run. This radio's working fine. Everything's good down here. Just turn AC on. Fan working. So all those controllers working. Once again, wipers. cassette player. Check out the rest of the dash. One fine crack right in the center. And headliner in good shape. Seat really free of rips, tears, much wear at all. Wow. Fabric in great shape. Slip around to the back, you can hear it run. Pretty much sounds like a stock 5 liter or 305 Chevy small block. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, the hood open. Take a peek at this engine bay. Looks like there's been a new compressor and alternator installed in that too. Future, power steering, power brakes, in small block Chev, 5 liter, 305. Nice, clean, tight. Take a look at the hood liner. You can tell this truck hasn't been driven in inclement weather. That hood liner is extremely clean for 94. And just this engine bay, lack of corrosion, anything like that underneath there. Definitely clean engine bay. Solid truck, 1994 C1500 Silverado. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirms miles, a little over 66,000 on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email